Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between Infinix HOT 6 Pro and the Honor 7C. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Infinix HOT 6 Pro sports a Snapdragon 425 processor with Adreno 308 GPU, while Honor 7C sports a Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. These are the benchmark scores. Now there isn't a huge difference between single core performance, but in terms of multi-core performance, Honor 7C is better. Even in terms of GPU performance, Honor is better. So let's see how they perform side by side. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. After that, I'll do the memory management test and at the end, I'll do the speed test again just for the last 4 games. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both phones are updated to the latest operating system, and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both the phones, so you can call it as a tie. Now for the memory management test, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how both the phones perform. In the memory management round, both phones did not retain most of the applications, so it's a tie once again. Memory management is good on both phones and both phones kill few applications, so I'll call it as a tie. Now for the final test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. While opening games, Honor 7C was noticeably faster. Now that's to be expected as Honor had a better GPU. So guys, to wrap it up, you can pick the winner based on your preference, but when it comes to performance, I'll say Honor 7C does a better job. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.